Hi, this is the VIVO Y21S and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first the control panel and you'll see here all of the available options. If you wanna add some options here or just to remove some of them or to change the positions of the icons on the panel, you should click here to this edit icon. Here you will see down section with invisible options. To add them to your panel, you should hold the option and drag it by this way. If you wanna remove some of them, you should hold it and drag it to the down section. And to change the positions of the icons on the panel, you should just hold it and drag it. To reset the changes, tap to the right upper corner to these three dots, and to save the changes, just click the go back. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.